Did you know that before toilet paper existed, people wiped their butts with things you wouldn't even touch today? In ancient Rome, the most common tool was called a tersorium, a sponge tied to the end of a stick, soaked in vinegar or salt water. It was kept in a public trough, and yes, it was shared by everyone. There were no private stalls. People sat side by side chatting while doing their business. When they were done, they'd rinse the sponge and leave it for the next person. But that wasn't the only solution. The Greeks and Romans also used pessoi, small, round stones smoothed down to avoid tearing the skin. They were practical and painfully real. Archaeologists even found pottery pieces used the same way, some with names carved into them. Imagine wiping yourself with the name of someone you hated. That's how the Greeks voted to exile citizens, and sometimes wiped with those very shards. Meanwhile, in ancient China, people used thin bamboo or wooden chips, washed and reused after each use. Even after paper was invented in the 7th century, it was far too valuable to waste. Using it for the toilet was a punishable offense.